Orange County Fire Rescue.
6600 Sea Harbor Drive.
Okay.
SeaWorld, my fault.
Okay, and where's the patient located inside the
They
park?
are at Shamu Stadium. We actually have a trainer in the water with one of our whales, the whale that they're not supposed to be in the water with.
Okay.
So we don't know what's going on. We were just told to call and have people here on standby when they get the person out.
Okay, and do you know if, so you don't know if the person was injured or if they're having a medical problem?
No idea.
Okay, very well then.
I don't even think they're out of the water yet. They're still in there with the whale, so.
Okay, but someone is on scene and they are getting them out of the water now.
There are people working on it, yes. There's
Okay.
about 2-3 dozen people over there right now.
All right, we'll get somebody en route.
Okay, come through gate number 3 to Shamu Stadium.
Gate 3.
Gate 3.
All right, got it.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Fire Rescue.
Hi, this is SeaWorld. I just called. Can you let them know that they pulled the AED?
Say what?
They pulled the defibrillator also for that they're coming to SeaWorld for. They just pulled it out of the box. I just got an alarm.
Okay. Alrighty. And you haven't got any more information about what's going on?
No, I don't. No. They're still working.
Oh, okay. Very good. Thanks for the addition.
All right.
We'll pass it on to them. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
All right, bye.
Fire Rescue, address of the emergency.
6600 Sea Harbor Drive. This is SeaWorld again.
Okay.
They're going to go ahead and bring them in the park. Can you let them know?
Okay, they're going to...
They're going to bring the vehicles into the park.
Okay, I'll let them
My
know.
guys are waiting for them at gate 3, okay?
Gate 3, alrighty. I'll let
Yeah,
them know.
thank you so
All right,
much.
bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.